Welcome back to my YouTube channel Iraqi Dinar Updates, where we break down the facts and dig into what's really happening with Iraq's currency and global positioning. Today, we're talking about something that's often misunderstood or ignored: what really happens when Iraq finally establishes a real, effective exchange rate and becomes an active player on the global Forex stage. Right now, Iraq is still under certain international sanctions. Because of that, the Iraqi dinar isn't being traded globally in any meaningful or significant way. It's restricted, it's limited, and the country remains somewhat isolated from the open global financial system. But that won't last forever. Change is coming. And when Iraq does lift those restrictions, so when they finally move toward a real exchange rate that reflects their economy, resources, and strategic value, it's going to send waves through the financial world. When that moment comes, it won't just be about Iraq. Every country that trades with Iraq is going to be affected. There will be a global adjustment because Iraq will now be a legitimate financial player with real-time currency values. This isn't just about oil or exports, this is about a nation stepping onto the world economic stage with a currency that is no longer suppressed, no longer blocked, and no longer undervalued. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Once Iraq hits the Forex markets in a real way, Alia and the organizations backing FEMA are going to keep a close eye on every other country they trade with. The expectation will be clear: play by the rules. There will need to be a level playing field. No manipulation, no backdoor deals, and no taking advantage of Iraq's transition. Countries will need to deal fairly, with real fundamentals guiding the value of currency exchanges and trade agreements. Iraq isn't going through all this work: economic reforms, currency stabilization, legal restructuring, just to get taken advantage of when they finally step forward. The goal is long-term stability. That means they want to make sure that once they do re-enter the global markets with an effective exchange rate, the system treats them fairly. It also means they're going to push for consistency and balance, not chaos. And when that happens, the impact could be major, not just for Iraq, but for regional partners, foreign investors, and international trading systems. There will be a shift in how business is done. It's not just about revaluation, it's about reintegration. Iraq wants a stable exchange rate. They want trust, accountability, and fair play across all channels. So if you're watching Iraq now, waiting for movement on the dinar, understand what's coming isn't just a rate change, it's an entire transformation of Iraq's role in global economics. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar Updates. If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives and updates as we continue to track the developments surrounding the Iraqi dinar and its future place on the world stage. Stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ready.